Welcome to Deanna Ford CPA's how-to videos. In this video, we will discuss how to create an accountant's copy of your company file. This is a quick and easy process. Creating and sending an accountant's copy of your company file allows your accountant to ensure that all relevant changes and corrections are made to your company file on time. In the main company screen, click on File, Create Copy, and then choose the third option, Accountant's Copy. Click Next. And in this window, QuickBooks will ask you to confirm that you wish to choose to save the file as an accountant's copy. So click Next. In this next window, you will be asked to choose a dividing date. There's some important information to note. The dividing date allows for transactions and changes prior to that date to be edited only in the accountant's copy file. Transactions and changes made after the dividing date can be made only in the working company file. Your accountant can view this, but not change any transactions made after the dividing date. Also, your accountant should inform you of the dividing date. You will almost always choose the custom option. Once you've selected the custom option, proceed with selecting the dividing date. Then click Next. QuickBooks will now tell you that it needs to close all windows in order to create the accountant's copy. You will also be prompted to save the file to a location. You can choose to update your location now. QuickBooks will automatically generate a name for the accountant's copy file. However, you can update the file name if you wish. Click Save, and a window will pop up letting you know that the accountant's copy file has been successfully created. Until you import the changes made by your accountant, the main company file will now be displayed with Accountant's Changes Pending at the top of the screen. Make sure to check out our videos on how to send the accountant's copy to your accountant and how to import the updated accountant's copy file once they have made all necessary changes back into your company file.